Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to give you the real scoop. Today, we're taking a close look at the Netac US5 Portable SSD. This little drive promises high performance in a compact form, but does it deliver? Let's find out. Opening up the Netac US5, you're greeted with a sleek, metallic design that Netac describes as a sleek sports car. It's compact, which makes it easy to carry around, but there are some quirks with its design. The US5 features both USB-C and USB-A connectors, a handy feature for versatility. But here's where things get interesting. The protective covers for these connectors can swing open independently. This design, while unique, can be problematic. If you open both covers simultaneously and attempt to plug it into two devices, well, that's a recipe for disaster. Moving on to performance, the US5 claims to deliver speeds comparable to a SATA SSD, boasting read-write speeds of around 555 hundredths of a megabyte per second. In our tests, while it did perform decently, it fell short compared to higher-end external SSDs like the Crucial X9 Pro. What's interesting is that the USB-C connection outperforms the USB-A, which seems to be limited to USB 3.1 speeds. If you're looking for maximum performance, sticking to USB-C is the way to go with this drive. Durability-wise, the US5 feels sturdy enough, but there are no specific durability standards mentioned. It's marketed as shockproof, but we couldn't find any official drop test ratings. One major downside is the lack of accompanying software. Unlike many competitors, Netac offers no sync tools or additional utilities, which could be a deal-breaker for some users. Another design flaw worth noting is the absence of capacity markings on the drive itself. If you have multiple US5s with different capacities, you'll have to plug them in to know which is which, a small inconvenience that could have been easily avoided. So, should you consider buying the Netac US5 Portable SSD? It's competitively priced and offers decent performance, especially if you primarily use USB-C. However, its design quirks, lack of software, and the availability of better performing alternatives like the Crucial X9 Pro make it a more cautious buy. That wraps up our review of the Netac US5 Portable SSD. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased tech reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned and stay teched up.